Hello stars, welcome back to your channel. I'm not sure if you're with me on this one, but if I see one more Pinterest, Instagram, or YouTube content maker post another unrealistic organized refrigerator, I may go on strike and perhaps avoid social media altogether. Organizing your refrigerator, as you can see, isn't a daunting task. The tips to keeping it Pinterest worthy is simply by keeping all liked items together: your waters, your drinks, your condiments, and also keeping juices, creamers, milk, all corralled together. Clear containers also helps, and if you have lazy Susans, you can use those, or simply use whatever you have. There's really no science behind keeping things organized, you gotta stick with it. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on refrigerator organization. Thank you for watching.